Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious homemade cake. Baking a perfect cake starts with good preparation. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment, ensuring everything is at room temperature. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which is about 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Accurate measurements are crucial, so carefully measure your dry ingredients like flour, sugar, baking powder, and baking soda. Also, have your wet ingredients such as milk, oil, and any flavorings ready to go. Now, let's prepare the batter. Begin by sifting your dry ingredients like flour, baking powder, and baking soda together at least 2 times. This removes any lumps and adds air, making your cake lighter. In a separate bowl, whisk together your wet ingredients such as oil, sugar, and milk or condensed milk until well combined. Then, gently fold the dry mixture into the wet, mixing just until no streaks of flour remain. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to a dense cake. Once your batter is ready, pour it into a greased and floured baking pan. Gently tap the pan a few times to release any air bubbles. Place it in your preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Bake for approximately 30 to 45 minutes. Remember, avoid opening the oven door during the first 25 minutes to prevent the cake from sinking. To check for doneness, insert a clean toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. After baking, resist the urge to immediately remove your cake. Let it cool in the pan for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the cake to firm up slightly, making it easier to handle. Then, carefully invert it onto a wire rack to cool completely. Cooling thoroughly is essential. It prevents the cake from becoming dense or falling apart when sliced. Once fully cooled, your beautiful, soft, and moist homemade cake is ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.